Teacher Bonnie here with a topic at the beach. For this video, we're going to talk about something that you need when you are coloring. No, it isn't crayon or color pencils. Something else, something that is wet. Starts with the letter P. Guess it? Okay, The answer is paint. Paint. Ooh, the painter has lots of paint on his shirt. Okay, so for our paint, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, but there are only 4 sounds. Paint, paint. Okay, let's go look at the word in the word paint. There are Peter Puppy, Mr. A, Mr. I, Noisy Nick, and Talking Tess. Okay, here we can see there's the 2 vowels go out walking story. So the story is when 2 vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking and says his name. The second man will be too busy looking out for robots. Okay, so here Mr. A is the first man, so he will say his name, A. Mr. I is too busy looking for robots, so he will not be saying anything. So here it's the A sound. A. Paint, paint. Paint. Are you guys ready to spell it? Here we go. Got it? Okay, let's look at the answer. The answer is P-A-I-N-T. P-A-I-N-T. See ya in the next video.